Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola, and today we are aboard a 2022 Grady White 285 Freedom. We'll start at the transom. You will see we are powered with twin Yamaha 300 four-strokes. We're sitting still on set point, which is a feature of Yamaha that is offered on this Grady White 285 Freedom. You'll come in the transom starboard side door here, very unique. Coming into a spacious cockpit with the dive door off to the port side. Very unique for a 28-foot boat. Coming into the cockpit, you will see forward dual rear-facing loungers that retract aft. We have here up at the helm dual companion seats. Over here to the starboard side, you will see we have a flip-up bolster, making it comfortable for that captain. At the helm, your Yamaha controls, your joystick here, which we are sitting on set point, your CL7. We've already equipped it with a Garmin 8616, your Fusion radio, and your autopilot feature from Yamaha. Off to port, you will see a very spacious head with a vacuum flush setup, with a sink as well. Moving forward, you will see we have it set up here with our casting platform insert in place. A through-the-hole windlass with pedals forward. And last but not least, you will see up above our hardtop is color matched with our Sure Shade retracted, giving us that shade if you want to fish or cruise this 285 Freedom. We'd like to thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe and like this YouTube channel.